Today, guys, I'm so excited. It's the first time in a while that I'm going to take you on a shop along with me. Hello, guys. My name is Mercy. Welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. And guys, I can't even articulate how excited that I am. And guys, if you've been watching me so far, you know that I'm a home decor lover. I love to decorate my home on the weekly basis. So fall is approaching, my favorite season, fall, and Christmas season approaching. So guys, I love to decorate my home. And when I start my channel and was in a bigger house and I downgrade, then I'm upgrading again to a bigger home. So guys, and I have so many things. Some of them I sell them on Facebook Marketplace, so once I'm done with my decor, I sell them. And some of them I keep. And once every season come, I always go to the shop to find out what they have, to add some new trend to my old trend, to mix them, to make my home extremely beautiful. Okay guys, so if you want to see what I'm going to buy for my home, what they have in store, so I encourage you to watch the video till the end. Guys, my first stop was Dorado furniture. Guys, I can tell you they have some beautiful floor arrangement, but the price is and I needed some ideas, some $3,000 for a floor arrangement. For a full floor arrangement, I think this requires a DIY. So guys, stay tuned because I'm already starting working on my DIY in my head since I saw this floor arrangement. And guys, I need a movie theater station, so I need some great furnitures, ideas, and what I'm going to put upstairs. So guys, yes, so sometime online you don't know whatever you're buying because the picture, but when you go to the store you can see with your eyes how everything is. So this chair is very pretty. I think this one could be fit in my movie theater room, but it's only thing I don't want any white because that's the only place in my home. So I want to give my kids some peace of mind so they can just do whatever they doing without me worrying about them dirty and everything. And one of the things that I want to do is my backyard, so I need some inspiration for my backyard. This one I like it very much, but yeah, I look at the price. It's not that expensive, to be honest, but I'm still looking to see what is my other option because this one honestly it's pretty, and the way Dorado just display the furniture, I like it so much. It's super clean, and as you can see the back, oh, it's super nice. So I like this. So this one could fit super nicely into my backyard. So yes, and they have some beautiful floor arrangement. Even I don't really like the prices, but they are pretty. And guys, the display is very nice display, very nice the way they fix everything, so I really like it. So yeah, so I always go to those places just to get some inspiration, to see what the new furnitures that they have, and the new those floor arrangement. I love them. I love arcade arrangement, but for me coming here to see with my eyes and the price, and it just give me more I'm more excited to do some DIY because I know it's not gonna cost me that much if I do it by myself. So yeah, so that's the way Dorado is, and I really like some of the furnitures, and mostly the floor arrangement, even though I know I'm not going to buy them because I'm not going to spend $3,000 on a floor arrangement. And the vase is not it's a plastic vase, to be honest, so there's no way I'm going to spend that much money on them. But I definitely have an idea of my DIY, how I'm going to do it, because after I get off the store, so I just start looking for big vases, and I saw a couple one online, so I definitely going to give it a shot. And stay tuned to see how I recreate the look. And this sofa, guys, is super pretty. I like it. So that could be an option if I'm changing my sofa because I like the style and the color. It's super nice. So it's another way again, guys. If you want to decorate your home, you don't know where to start, you can just go ahead and just start walking inside some showroom so you can have some idea how to transform your home into, yeah, that to a palace where your heart is just like feel alive and that's you feel comfortable because it's your home. It's supposed to be your happy place. You must decorate it the way you like it, the way make you feel comfortable. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so I'm going to let the music play, so make sure to watch it till the end because this one is my first step. I went to several store, so I hope you enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
I love it when you're confident. 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 I love it when you're confident. 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 I love it when you're confident. 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 Step in the room, commanding the space. Stand at attention, do what I say. All eyes on you, for goodness sake. It's about to be a party, we should celebrate. Energy high, grace in your stride, spark in your eye, lit like a fire. We got money in the bank, tell them catch your vibe. Started in the lobby, now we outside. Now show up, like you the one that they here for. Go up, show up, like you the one that they here for. Go up, show up, like you the one that they here for. Go up, show up, like you the one that they here for. I love it when you're confident. 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 I love it when you're confident. 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 All eyes on you when you walking in. Got it all mapped out, you the main event. Yeah. Confident. I love it when you, I love it when you, I love it when you're confident. They can't tell me nothing. Turn nothing to something. If it ain't about getting money, then what is we discussing? Too fly like a red eye. I can see it all from a bird's eye. They want me to fall, but I just glide. Guess it's just something on the inside. Yeah, yeah. Now show up, like you the one that they here for. Go up, show up, like you the one that they here for. Go up, show up, like you the one that they here for. Go up, show up, like you the one that they here for. I love it when you're confident. 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 I love it when you're confident. 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 All eyes on you when you walking in. Got it all mapped out, you the main event. Confident. I love it when you, I love it when you, I love it when you're confident. 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 I love it when you're confident.
The love and the lies, the calm and the chaos. Adventure is waiting, dreams for the taking. It's all in view. The tension and ease, the wild and free. The moment is waiting, dreams for the taking. It's all in view. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Lost in the wonder, caught up in colors that I've never seen before. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful.
I needed some green pillows, and Home Goods was the best place for me to go. And guys, stay tuned to see how I decorate my living room, because I'm in love with those green pillows. I think the olive green pillows, I love them. So stay tuned to see how I transform my living room. And guys, that's the end of the video. I thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.